two things that can help a person attain goals, and I couldn't agree more. She's presenting something very recent, perhaps an event that happened in her CC4 project today. I would request Toastmaster Pratharban to read out the objectives to her.
Good afternoon, everyone, and Aisha. The objective for today for CC4 is select the right words and sentence structure to communicate your ideas clearly, accurately, and vividly. Use rhetorical devices to enhance and emphasize ideas. Eliminate jargon and unnecessary words. Use style grammar. Timer, please note the time is 5 to 7 minutes. Good luck, Aisha.
Aisha Ahmed, run for a cause, Aisha Ahmed.
It was 6 a.m. on a Sunday morning, and it seemed like it was 6 p.m. Monday afternoon, Monday evening. I was stuck in a traffic jam on Graphite Signal. Now, why was this traffic jam there on a Sunday morning? It was good afternoon, audience, fellow Toastmasters, and okay, there are no my dear guests. And this traffic jam was there because it was an event called Pinkathon. Pinkathon is an event that happens yearly, and it is there for women to create awareness. Pinkathon is organized by Milind Soman and Reema Sanghi, and they have created this event in order to create awareness for women, because women tend to lose themselves in their daily lives. The major motivation for this is to bring together all women and to emphasize on how they should be fit and how they should take care of themselves and not lose themselves in their day-to-day lives. So I was one of the 5,000 women that were participating in this event, and hence the traffic jam was there. My run started 1 kilometer before the event could start. My friends and I got down the cab and ran towards the event. Since the 10K run had already started, we did not get time to sit and rest. So we just ran. On the first kilometer, I sprinted. I sprinted ahead, and I went as far as my lungs could take me. I only stopped when my lungs gave up. On my second kilometer, I walked. I did not want to give up because I had 8 more kilometers to go. I could still feel my breathing slowing down, but I had a motivation that I had to complete that run. So I stopped for water when I saw that there are many people distributing water and Volini spray. There were many motivators who were standing on the sidelines and cheering people who were running. I saw a very old person participating in it, and I thought, if she can do it, so can I. I called out to my friend who was running with me. I said, let's do this. If we can do this, we can do anything. And then on the third kilometer, I saw some more people. They were getting ahead of us. We were running, but we were running very slowly. So I told her, let's pick up some pace. We ran further. This run took us through various parts of Whitefield. It started at KTPO. It went through certain lanes and companies, and then we got to see Whitefield in a way that we had never seen it before. It was a mind-blowing feeling to pass through Whitefield without traffic. Because traffic police had regulated it when the run was happening. On the 5th kilometer, we passed by a dumpster. This dumpster was so smelly that it inspired me to run faster than I could ever run. So I called out to my friend again. Listen, we need to get past this place. It is really terrible. And we ran. We ran without thinking. It was a long run. Towards the end, I could feel sweat trickling down. I could feel heat coming out of my head, and I could feel my muscles saying no to me. But I did not want to stop. My mind said that, no, you're not going to stop. If you can do this, you can do anything. And I was able to run. I was able to complete the 10K. It taught me one thing, that you are the owner of your body. It is nobody else. And you can empower yourself. You don't have to wait for the society to empower you. It is not somebody else. When we talk about women empowerment, it is not the society that should empower you. And it is you yourself. What I'm going to say now applies to everyone here, and not just women. You yourself are the owners of your body. Do not wait for somebody else to spread awareness. Be self-aware. Find your own mantra and do what you have to do. Thank you.
Thank you.